Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, August 15th. And overall, we got a pretty good weather pattern coming up, and we're going to definitely be going into back to a summer type mode as we see some very warm temperatures coming our way down the road. In the meantime, we do have also some chance of some beneficial showers and thunderstorms. We got some out there this morning. Overall, the next 5 days looks like we'll see around a ½ inch to 8/10 through Thursday night, actually. And I think for the next 2 days during the Agro Expo in St. John's, we got some showers out there this morning, but they'll move out fairly quickly, and I think we'll see a muggy sunshine with cloud type day. And then I think our next best chance of showers and thunderstorms will be hopefully after the event ends, and I think that will be the case. Looks like they're about 4 hours more of a delay amongst the more significant showers and thunderstorms. So I think tomorrow night is when they move in. So we should be able to make it through the event in pretty good shape. And again, about 5/10 to as much as 8/10 here over the next few days. The heaviest amounts of rainfall will be across the western portions of lower Michigan, with lesser amounts as you get into southeast lower Michigan and over into Ontario. And if we look at, this was as of 4:45 this morning, you can see we have some showers around the area this morning. And again, we're at 200s. We need to get around 5/10 to 8/10 for my forecast to be accurate, and that'd be a 13 station average. And if we look at, again, the events today, it looks like for the Agro Expo, looks like temperatures in the upper 70s to low, maybe mid 80s. It's going to be quite muggy, especially areas that pick up rain overnight. And then we expect plenty of sunshine for the day on Wednesday, with clouds increasing late in the day, and then thunderstorms will move in at night into Thursday, when we got a good shot at some pretty decent rainfall. And again, we're giving away a couple of really nice rain gauges, so hopefully we'll see you there. Sign up. If you already signed up on an email, I'll have a separate sheet you can sign to get your name in the drawing for those rain gauges. And if we look at the next slide, I'll be coming out with my fall forecast on September 1st, and again, a sneak preview if you're in Newaygo and Marlette for the growers meeting that's going on there. I'll be out there for both of those events. And again, we'll also take a look at the preliminary forecast for this winter. And if we look at some of the growing degree days from the 50% plant data of corn here in Breckenridge, you can see we're in pretty good shape. We've been hugging that normal line all season long so far. And over in Blissfield, again, right about in the middle of the pack, a little bit cooler than the last 2 years, but still in pretty good shape there as far as growing degree days. And if we look at temperatures out there this morning, you can see temperatures in the low to mid 60s. Again, pretty warm out there. You can see some of the areas that are picking up precipitation. More since I did this video, obviously. And if we look at the radar, you can see those showers and thunderstorms here on this early Tuesday morning across much of south central lower Michigan. Another batch coming in that may clip the Breckenridge area. Again, areas like Clarksville, Lansing, and it'll slide over into the eastern part of the state where Marlette, Henderson, Brown City should pick up some showers. Again, the areas that really need it down in southeast lower Michigan are going to struggle to get some of that rain here over the next couple of days. I think they will get some rain, but definitely the heavier amounts will be across the western and northern areas of lower Michigan. And if we look at satellite view this morning, you can see Hurricane Gert. Again, it's moving to the north-northwest, but you can see as this trough catches it, it's going to whip the system around to the northeast and take it away from the U.S., and we'll watch another system for next week that could be a threat to the U.S. And you can see a lot of this moisture off to our west. This is all coming our way here over the next 36 to 48 hours, especially once we get into Wednesday night, into Thursday night. Again, that's prime time for the most rainfall. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see low pressure system with a stationary front that's going to eventually sag through the area. Then it'll return north as this system out here begins to move towards Great Lakes. And you can see on the Wednesday morning forecast that low pressure system now in northeastern Nebraska. Again, that cold front swinging through will begin to move to the north as a warm front. That's going to produce a lot of heavy rains off to our west. But again, that's where the heaviest rains should stay. And as we get into Thursday, we have that low pressure system coming into Wisconsin, and the warm front now moving to the north, and that should touch off some pretty good showers and thunderstorms throughout the area. Again, nothing severe, but I think all areas should get a pretty good rain out of this, especially across the northwestern areas closer to the low pressure system and just to the north of the warm front. As far as how much precipitation, you can see over the next 7 days, you can see many areas will pick up around an inch of rain across central and western lower Michigan. And again, lesser amounts as you head off to the southeast, across southeast lower Michigan and southwest Ontario. And again, For today, it looks like highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Again, a couple mid 80s is certainly not impossible, especially across southeast lower Michigan, where there'll be more in the way of sunshine. And then as we get into Wednesday night, 70 and 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms for both of those days. And again, we can see temperatures quite warm. We'll cool on just a little bit here as we get towards the weekend, but we got plenty of warm air. And again, can't rule out we could even touch 90 degrees here over the next 2 or 3 weeks as some very warm weather sets in, especially even beginning as early as later next week. And thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day. Hope to see you in St. John's later today and tomorrow, and 73s to all.